Hey guys, this video we are going to learn Figma. Okay, so this video is going to for absolute beginner. So if you know a little bit about Figma interface, so I would say do not watch this video. You can watch my another video that the link will be in the description. Okay, so firstly you can let me tell you that if your system configuration is pretty low, I would say use browser version. Why? Because Figma works both. You can use in your browser or you can use in your desktop. Like you can install a app like any other app like Google Chrome, Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can use Figma desktop version. So if your system configuration is uh, okay, so it will be work. Okay, so firstly I'm going to open Figma. So I am using browser, not using browser version, I am using desktop version. Okay, so this is the main interface on Figma. So if you click on home, so your interface will be look like this. Not exactly look like this because the project you are looking on my screen is I actually worked before. So that's why those projects are showing here. So let me show you one of my project. So those are not my project actually. So I'm going to all project. So I just make little bit project. So not little bit, my English is not super awesome. So you have to just understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just what I'm doing here, I'm just clicking control and scrolling my mouse wheel, and if you press your space bar, your hand icon will be activated, and by clicking paste icon, just click on left side on your mouse, and your hand is like catching your surface. Okay, so just click and hold and drag, click, hold and drag. So guys, this is my previous project. I actually I used to work on this, but I just suddenly stop it for my new project. So this is my flower uh, selling website. So this is like here I am showing the sale that are going on Figma. Sorry, Figma, not Figma, my website. So these are galleries. So these are galleries, and all this section, this is footer button. So I'm going to click on my home icon. So as you can see that this is the home icon, so I'm going to take it outside. So I'm going to click on home. So when you will click on home, I'm going to click the project. So if you just click this plus icon, so firstly let's tell you that the left side on my screen, my on your video screen. So this is like recent project. You can search here just by entering your project name. So here if you enter my flower selling website, here the project will be shown. Okay, so this is the recent project. So this is the recent project I worked for, and this is template tools. uh, Template and tools, meaning that this is the currently like Figma community version. Okay, so this is Figma community. Lots of other people are making and designing, and they are sharing all over the world for showcasing their work. And you can also get freelance project from here, and you can join the community. So all this stuff just ignore for now. So this is my name, like my name is Suman. So that's why it's showing Suman's team. Okay, so I'm using free version, I'm not using any paid version. So this is my draft project. So these all are my draft project. Okay, draft project. So this project untitled, I didn't make it. It's made by default by Figma community. Okay, so Figma team are just giving some of the template to you to walk through how the Figma work. Okay, so this is the trash. So in my trash, that I just deleted two file. So this is my trash file, and this is the view plan. So as I am, the current time is 6 July, 22nd July uh, 2025. Okay, so as of now the Figma interface is like this. So this is the team project. So I just moved this to team project to work as a team. So if I just click on my project, so it is just gonna open, and if I just this play icon, this is called play. I mean that I just designed here multiple screen. Okay, I designed here multiple screen, and if I just click on this play icon, so I'm just not just opening the single layer. So let me tell you that what is layer. Layer meaning that if you are used to with Photoshop, you know that what is layer. Layer means that different slide of your project, whole project, meaning that you just open Amazon app, and firstly you are just going to uh, you are just going to open one screen, that is login, then another screen, then another screen. So those are called in Figma in frame. So those are called in Figma is frame. Okay, frame. So you can work multiple frame, and so this is one of my frame, this is one of my frame, this is one of my frame. So frame meaning that your layer. So all the frame are stacked on your layer. Okay, so this is my another layer. So if you just expand it, so you will see lot of other stuff here. So groove, inside the groove you have the text. So these are pretty basic stuff on Figma. So if I just play my this project, okay, so if I just play my this project, so what will happen? So firstly just click on the one of my project. So just wait guys. So if I just hit play icon, so it is just loading the screen. So this is my home page of a hotel booking website. So if I click here, so this is just changing, like, so it's looking like a real website, right? So if you just click here, it is going to uh, just swiping your screen from left to right and right to left. If I click on explore now, so explore meaning that all the location of my hotel website, like it can be international, it can be location on Delhi, Mumbai, or New York City, Silicon Valley of India, I mean Bangalore. So all your location will be just explore tab. So if I click on book now, so if I click on book now, your page will be redirected to another page. Okay, your page will be redirected to another page, like your cart page. So you can book this guy, this guy, this guy. So although I didn't log in, so this is just simulating. This is not the functional website. So if you just thinking that it is a functional fully website, I will not. I will say that you are wrong. Why? Because this is a simulating. So this project will be handed over to the developer, like HTML developer, and they will after HTML development, the project will go to programming functionality. To make functionality, they might use Bootstrap as a framework, or lots of other framework like jQuery, uh, like or JavaScript or React, lots of other framework. I'm not going to the go to the programming part. And if I just click request book, so this is going to do my login page. So this is my login page, and if I just click on register, this will be open register page. If I click on logo, this is going to go to main page, home page. Okay, so now keeping the stuff away, and I'm going to make another new project. Okay, new project, new design. So firstly just show you what this stuff meaning. So design meaning that you will design the project. Figma meaning you will be brainstorm the idea, like wireframing, and you can just discuss with your team that what your project is going to be. This is slide I didn't use it, so I am not advanced in Figma, but whatever I know, I'm going to teach you in this video. So if I click on design, so this is saying that need more file, upgrade to professional. So although you use Figma, like if I just click here draft, Okay, just draft and just create. So you can see that all the stuff are showing there is showing here. Okay, so designing means that if I just click on design, so the design project is going to open. Okay, so firstly let's teach you that what is the interface, what is the interface are going to tell you the story. Okay, so this is called like your main control board. This is, you can say, control board. Okay, so this is move tool meaning that if I just right click on it, so it is showing move tool, hand tool, scale tool. So this is move tool means that you just, if you just I am using shortcut here, f mean frame. So the, if I just enter F key on my keyboard and it is moving to frame. So just clicking here, there are lots of frame is showing here. So I'm showing here, showing you the frame. Okay, so this is like frame. So frame meaning, okay, so that's right. So frame meaning that you're designing your, what you are going to design for. Okay, so you are going to design for your mobile phone, Android, iPhone, or tablet, desktop, or presentation, or watch. So lots of other stuff are showing here. So I'm just going to just remove it. So this is called move tool. Move tool means that if I just take here one Android and I want that this white screen I want to move to left. So what will we do? What will you do? So you have to just right click on it and hand tool. So you can just like move tool, select move tool, and you just paste directly on your keyboard H and it will be activated hand tool. Okay, so this is just like hand. So you can use hand tool in different way, like just I'm just pressing V on my keyboard, V, and it's redirected to move tool. And if I just space here, click space bar on my keyboard, so it is activating hand tool but not changing the tool icon. Okay, so you can just use this, or another way, you can just press your mouse wheel button and this will be do the same work. Okay, this will be do the same work. So mouse wheel button. Okay, so let's suppose that you lost. Okay, you lost. So what will you do? Shift 0, it means 100%, and if you press shift 1, your design screen will become. Okay, so I am just teaching you a little bit shortcut here. So guys, this is the frame tool. Frame tool means that this is a frame. Okay, so we work on a frame. Okay, so it may be a desktop screen, they will call in Figma frame. If you are just working for a mobile, they will call frame. And this is all this tool I'm going to explain you. This is rectangular tool. Rectangular tool means that if I just select this tool and I can draw here. I can draw circle. I can draw rectangle. I can draw star. Lot of other things. Okay, so if I just expand it, so you can say that rectangular tool means R. It means that it will be a rectangle. Okay, and it will be draw a rectangle, and line tool means L. Arrow tool means shift. So what is arrow tool? Arrow tool means that if we just click on shift L, shortcut is shift L. So this is arrow tool. Okay, so I'm just going to draw it in black skin. So when I'm just drawing black skin, I am just pressing on my keyboard V and activating move tool, and you can see that weight is 2. Weight is 2. Okay, stroke, you have to work with stroke. If I just increase decrease stroke, your arrow will be bigger and smaller. Okay, so this is arrow tool, and this is ellipse tool, means it will be draw circle. So my circle is like a egg, like an egg. So if you want perfect circle, so you have to press shift key on your keyboard. Okay, you have to press shift key on your keyboard. So this is the circle, and this whole dot, if I just like it like illustration I recently watched, like where I just watched this illustration, I cannot remember right now, but this is funny and this is useless. Okay, so you never use it, or maybe if you are like a creative guy, you can use it some way. Okay, so this is like a clock. Okay, so this is the polygon tool. Polygon tool means you will draw a pyramid. Okay, you will draw a pyramid. Okay, like त्रिभुज जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं, ठीक है. So this is the star tool. So you can draw star. Okay, you can draw star and you can increase here. Here you can see that count. So if I just decrease and increase, so it will be like, you can see that this is like a, you can get as many angle as you want. Okay, so this is corner radius. If I just drag it, this will be radius the corner. Okay, and this is the dimension, width and height. So you can just skew it. Okay, so you can change the color from here. You can give it red, or you can just give it to black, white, blue, whatever you can want, whatever you want. Okay, so this is layout. Layout means in layout panel you are going to see lots of the stuff. So I'm not going to go to that kind of stuff because this is the beginner tutorial. So one more thing is that here is activating pen tool, like pen and pencil. Okay, pencil. So one more thing I have to tell you, that if I just click on it and double click it, so just another tool is open here. Like so this is hovering lasso tool. This is shape builder tool. So if you know Photoshop little bit, if you know little bit of Photoshop, so you know that what this tool do actually. So this is pen tool. So this is just pen bucket tool. So why just it's transparent, so the shape is gone. Okay, so this is just chat and this is text. Okay, and this is plugin. So lots of plugin I'm using currently. Okay, so this is prototype and design. So what is prototype? You don't need to get panic about prototype. So firstly just design your skin. Okay, so let's I'm going to design a thing here. So you can see that here I'm working this page. Okay, so here it is saying that it is another page. You can create as many pages as you want as your draft. I mean free version. You cannot share with the world. Okay, you cannot share it with the world. Okay, why? Because this is a draft version, and if you want to share with someone, you have to upgrade to Figma Premium. So what is the page do? Page do actually, if you just if I just click here, so I am designing for mobile screen. Okay, I am designing for mobile screen, and if you want to design for desktop screen, obviously you will not going to jumble them together. Just mobile and desktop screen are together. You are not going to design. Like you are not going to write on your English and math. Like in our childhood, we learn English and math and the same notebook, right? So they are for different purpose. English notebook is another for another purpose, and math notebook is for another purpose. Okay, so this is like page. So you are going to page one, like going to design for desktop, and page 2 going to be for mobile, and page 3 is going to be for tablet, page 4 is going to be for watch, and lots of other stuff. I don't need to say blah blah blah. So I hope you understand that what the basic of the Figma. So you just click here, you will see lots of other things like file, save, design, new fig jump, new slide, new batch, new site, new make, lots of other stuff. Edit, you can edit. So those are inactivated due to I'm not selecting anything here. So object, you can get a lot of things: text, arrange, vector, plugins, widgets, preference, libraries, help, and account. So all this stuff I will teach you step by step. Just follow my channel. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and hitting delete on my keyboard. Delete. And if I click here, hitting delete. If I click here again, hitting delete, and those are gone. Okay, so if I just click here and hitting delete, and again if I click here, hitting delete and delete. Okay, so your those page are gone. So like I'm going to just show you how the design system works. So this is right section. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. Next video we are going to learn lots of other interesting stuff. So thanks for watching. So if you want more video, consider subscribing and like my video. Okay, so thank you, take care, and happy designer.